Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get or find or locate your Bitget wallet address. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Bitget mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner, and then you need to tap on the Spot in the top. Over here you will be able to see the Add Funds option. So you need to tap on Add Funds, then you need to tap on the option of Deposit Crypto. Afterwards, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you can purchase on Bitget. Now, among these cryptocurrencies, you just have to select any of the cryptocurrencies, the wallet address of which you want to get. After selecting the cryptocurrency, it will ask you to select the network. So you need to tap on choose network option. Then you just have to choose any of the networks that you want. Then it will show you the deposit address. So the deposit address is the wallet address of your Bitget account, so you can use that deposit address in order to send and receive on Bitget. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.